What is trust decanting? Have you ever wondered how to make changes to an irrevocable trust without going through a lengthy court process? Trust decanting might just be the answer. This legal process allows for the modification of irrevocable trusts by transferring their assets into a new trust with more favorable terms. Let's break this down in simpler terms. First, what exactly is an irrevocable trust? This type of trust cannot be changed or revoked once it is created. People often use irrevocable trusts for estate planning to manage assets and reduce taxes. However, sometimes the terms of these trusts become outdated or no longer serve the best interests of the beneficiaries. This is where trust decanting comes in. The process involves transferring assets from the original irrevocable trust into a new irrevocable trust. This can be done by distributing the assets to an existing trust or by creating a new one altogether. The main goal is to update the terms of the original trust to better align with the current needs of the beneficiaries. For trust decanting to happen, certain legal requirements must be met. First, the trustee must have the discretionary authority to invade the trust's principal. This power is essential for initiating the decanting process. Next, the beneficiaries of the new trust must be the same as those in the original trust, unless the original trust allows for the addition of new beneficiaries. Additionally, the trustee must notify all current and potential beneficiaries about the intent to decant. This notification should include details about the proposed new trust and how it differs from the original. Lastly, the decanting process must comply with applicable state laws, which can vary significantly. Trust decanting is particularly useful in situations where the original trust terms are no longer suitable. For example, if the original trust does not provide adequate protection against creditors, decanting can help create a new trust with better safeguards. It can also modify restrictive terms that no longer align with the beneficiary's needs. In the context of trusts and estates law, trust decanting is a strategic tool for estate planners. It offers flexibility in managing irrevocable trusts, which are typically rigid. For law students specializing in trusts and estates, understanding trust decanting is essential. It equips them to advise clients on adapting their estate plans to changing circumstances without resorting to costly legal battles. So, if you are considering estate planning or are involved in managing trusts, trust decanting could be a practical option to consider.